Good morning, everyone. Today is Boxing Day here in Hong Kong, and my friends and I are planning to visit Tong Nature Trail in Yuen Long. Our starting point was Stanley Beach, and we are heading to Admiralty to take another bus, and we are riding 6X at the moment towards Admiralty. So this is the view at the second deck of a 6X big bus. You can't really see because it is it's mountainous area. You can see the lake or the beach. That is the Deep Water Bay or Ripples Bay. I mean Ripples Bay. Beautiful. So this is Deepwater Bay. There are many beautiful beaches here in Hong Kong that when you visit Hong Kong, it is a must-have to see. Yes, can you see that? That is the Ocean Park. Over there, that's the Ocean Park. See? There it goes. And can you see the cable car that goes to the Ocean Park? And this is also the Marriott Hotel here at Ocean Park. We just reached our next stop here in Admiralty, and we are waiting for bus 968 going to Yuen Long, and then from there we are taking another bus going to Tai Tong Natural Trail or Nature Trail. So basically bus stop here in Admiralty is just the opposite of United Center, where the Philippine consulate is located. So here comes the bus. Here comes 968 bus going to Yuen Long. Okay, so we just stopped here in Yuen Long, Yau San Street, from Admiralty to here. Okay. So once you get off from the bus, turn to your right and just walk straight. So this is the market. I just walk from here. I mean from your left, not from your right. And then turn right. So there are buses here going to Taipo as well. Okay, the bus station going to the Nature's Trail is at the back of Manhattan Plaza. So you can see here. We just missed the bus. And we are taking the big bus here. We have been walking towards Eco Park here in Taitung, Yinlong. So I think it's uphill from the main road to where we are going right now. We haven't reached the Eco Park yet, so hopefully in a few minutes. So this is the way. There's so many people, especially going back home, because we came here very late and it is quite a long distance. So but the weather is really good, not so sunny. We are going to the barbecue area. There's people everywhere. Yeah, so tiring. There's Lotta and Ate Edna. Okay, so we are here at the barbecue area and we are trying to find a table where we can sit and eat lunch. Okay. So, here we are. That's Belle, Lotta, and Ate Edna. So tired. Okay, so this is the barbecue area. We don't have any food for barbecue, so we brought with us cake. This is carrot cake and some bread. This is the ground barbecue area.
Bayar ka mo na yan. Napanggiinitan.
We're heading towards the gum woods and hopefully we can make it on time. It says on the trail wood there that it's 1.5 hour walking, and we have been walking for like 10 to 15 minutes, so hopefully we can get there with few people left. So these are my 3 friends. The one on my left, the one with black jacket, it's Belle. She's my cousin, and the one at the middle, Ate Edna, and the one in pink hoodie in front of Ate Edna is Lota. So here we are, where the leaves are changing colors.哇！呢個仲靚，呢隻夠紅。唔好咁高大啦。好光喎！我一睇，呢個好老，好老。佢話本身你嘅係你嘅。你嚟㗎？帶你翻去。依家你就唔去。我跟住寫俾我。睇咗啦，呢個相。Ini kita pun, lebih cuma.
Adesso ancora facciamo
OK 啦，係中意我嘅書包嘅，係對對，即刻就影張嚟，我影都係一咁嘅。Kami nung tag-COVID nagkaputitoy. mình tôi đi đâu mà này mà nào đó